Hey guys, welcome back to the Dustin Dean channel, and if you're new to this channel, I am Dustin Dean and this is the Outlaw channel. Hey guys, what we have going on today is we have a brand spanking new Troy built lawnmower. I got this at Home Depot, like $219, cheapest one they had. It has a bag. I'll bag up all these grass clippings, and so every once in a while I mow this apple orchard, and because I really don't know what to put in there. Like sheep will eat my trees, and so I really can't put any animals in here to graze off of this. And so I thought if I'm going to mow it, maybe I could take the grass clippings and put it in my garden and help with the soil and building up the nutrients in my garden. So that's pretty much my idea, is to bag all these grass clippings up and put it in the garden. Comes with its own oil. We went to Walmart and we looked at theirs, and they had all the oil spilt out of theirs and all over the. Once you get oil on the rope, they get weak, and they had oil on the rope. They weren't willing to cut us a deal, but we have our oil in the bag.
I've never seen a bag like that.
We got the instructions, which we don't need. And what does this say? Oh, it says it's a picture. Oh. Do not understand pictures either. Well, thank you. It's not a. How much should I put in?
I don't know.
Oh man, I don't know either.
Should you read the instructions?
I should read the instructions to see how much to put in, huh? It says more. I bet the whole thing. What do you want to bet? The whole thing?
Yeah.
Instructions probably says the whole thing. What do you want to bet?
Probably.
I guess. I don't know. Yep, that's about right. What's on the dipstick? Moment of truth. I guess this has to be, you know what? This is supposed to run up through. What am I doing wrong? Oh, this. I think this has got to run up through here. What do you want to bet? That's what that thing's for. Look how much we've accomplished without reading the instructions. What am I doing wrong? I have to get through.
Don't say it.
I have to get it. Instructions. No prime. No choke. Ready, start. Just pull it for power. I don't understand. Put gas in it. It's got good gas. It's not bad gas. I tried starting fluid. That don't seem to do crap. It's got the right amount of oil. What are we doing wrong? Take the air filter back off.
When you start it off, just put it back on.
Okay. About 100 poles. I don't know if I like it. So far I'm very not impressed with this. Okay guys, I'll show you something else that's you can do with this is feed it to your rabbits. That saves a little bit of money on pellet food. Up it by the pole, I guess.
Yeah.
You ever call your rabbits?
No.
Look, it's got a baby chick with it.
2.
Where Nova?
Nova.
Got 2 of them?
Yeah.
It's got 3, 4.
3, 4.
Oh, we just found a chicken with babies. I didn't know we had babies. Look at that.
5.
It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Look at all them little babies. Well, Mom's gonna love that. Okay guys, Mama Dean here has got all the grass clippings in the garden. Mm-hmm. Good job, Mama Dean.
Thank you.
See, you did that row there.
I did.
So we got that 2 rows. And then you jumped over here and decided to
do the cabbage.
do the cabbages.
Mm-hmm.
You know what's kind of cool? These bees, so this is kind of off subject. So we got a huge storm coming in, and it's a big one. It's a biggie. And bees know it, and they tend to beat the storm just right before it gets here. And they come in droves. And so here's the bees coming in. Oh, it's kind of cool. They just kind of, they're everywhere, thick through here, beating in the storm. So, my opinion with the Troy-Bilt lawnmower is, I worry about it a little bit. Kind of, where it was really hard to start, and there's no choke, and there's no priming it, and I foresee lots of, I don't know. This is the exhaust. And a little puff of smoke comes out right when it starts. So, I mean, it kind of starts off quite like, I've been running this all day. Let's see. So, if you see that, it was kind of quiet, and then it took off, and a little puff of black smoke comes out every time it takes off. Brand spanking new, never been used, a little bit of black smoke coming out. I question that. Maybe it's normal. Maybe I'm just paranoid. Let's watch it again. Watch this part up here. So, I don't know. Might be the best lawnmower I've ever had. Hey guys, I want to do a quick shout out to my friend Spicy White Bear. He sent me some spices, and I love it. I promised I would do a shout out for him, and I ran out of this spice. And I had to call him up and beg him to send me some more. It was that good. I use it literally on everything. I put it just yesterday, last night, we put it on our hamburgers, and we put it on pork butt. We put it on, I mean, I made chili. I put it in chili. It's a rub. It's unbelievable. I can't describe it. It's kind of a barbecue. It's a little bit spicy. Not bad. My family handles it quite well, and they don't take spice that well. I don't like pepper. I do. I like spice. So you guys, I'll put the link. You can go into his Facebook account, and he'll hook you up. He'll. I highly recommend it. I don't know how much it is for sale. You'll have to ask him. Tell him Dustin sent you, and I'm sure he'll give you a discount. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Guys, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.